Hi, it's Amy Clarkson with Clarkson Premier Team at Magnolia Realty, and I'm here with my good friend Eric Schroeder with Prime Lending today. And Eric, I'm going to ask you a couple questions about a couple of loan options for first-time home buyers.
Okay,
That's okay.
Absolutely.
The first one is VA. Tell me why it would be so great for to get a VA loan for a first-time home buyer.
Yes, so a veteran has the ability to purchase a house without putting any money down. So that is a 100% finance loan. VA also, they are not going to charge a monthly mortgage insurance on that loan.
Okay. So it's more cost effective if you were a one-time veteran, correct?
Correct. That's right.
Is there any kind of, besides it being a veteran, is there any other requirements to get a VA loan?
Well, the good thing about a VA loan is the credit score. On conventional loans, a lot of loan products, you get hit on the interest rate when your FICO score drops below 740 or 700.
Right.
A VA loan will let you get down to a 620 on the FICO score.
Okay, cool. So it helps veterans out a little bit then.
It does, absolutely. Yes.
Okay, awesome. What about a conventional loan for a first-time home buyer? How would that be beneficial for them?
Yes, so conventional, recently, I would say within the past 3 years or so, conventional came out with 3% loan products. And the thing is with a first-time home buyer is they may not have established the credit to go conventional. And so conventional, they really like the credit scores at maybe a 740, 720. When you get below a 700, you're probably going to be taking that borrower out of that tier or that type of loan and look at maybe an FHA or USDA.
Okay.
But conventional, if you have the credit score where you're not going to have get hit on that interest rate, then you have lower mortgage insurance, and then when you get to the 80%, that mortgage insurance is going to drop off.
Right.
For some of the other products, it will not.
Right. So that's good for if you have the good credit score and you've got a little bit of money saved for a down payment. Conventional loan might be a great way to go for a first-time home buyer because of their options down the road.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there anything else you can think of that a first-time home buyer might need to know about those two loan products?
I would say on the VA, if you have disability, I believe it's 30% on VA. If you have that disability, then your funding fee, there's a funding fee that the VA loan charges the veteran. It's like 2.25%. The first time you use it, it's like 3.3%. The second time or every consecutive time you use it. Now that funding fee can be expensive. And that may be a deterrent for a veteran initially, but that is rolled into the loan. But if you have the disability, you may not have to pay that. You can be exempt from that funding fee, which if you're exempt, that's an incredible thing.
Right. Awesome. Okay, and I appreciate you giving us some information about that. I know our first-time home buyers are curious about the different products out there, and so it just takes a phone call to get a couple questions to you, right?
Absolutely. Yes,
Does
ma'am.
it cost anything for them to talk to you about
Absolutely
those
not.
products?
No, ma'am. No.
Will it hurt someone's credit to have a conversation with you about
No.
those
No,
products?
even if we pull credit, an application is super easy, super fast, and it's, like I said, it's something we can do over the phone. Credit can be pulled immediately. Within 20 minutes, you can know if you're qualified for a loan. And a loan officer is going to evaluate you based on your money you can put down, credit score, debt ratio. All of these loan products come into play. And so a good loan officer is going to put you in place for the right loan that's best for you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for
Thank
your time
you.
today.
I appreciate you.
Thanks.
Thank you.